Okay, so I'll be starting the brakes. I also got the stick, what's called stainless steel brake lines. Just like that. Anyways, so I got that, and then I got the calipers right here. That shit, bro. So we're gonna slap in this on fucking integra. We already took the wheels off, and we're gonna start taking out the old calipers, and then later on go test this shit. Okay, so I got the calipers. I got the calipers and the brake rotors. I got the whole set. This is the brake pads. That shit. All the bolts, all that shit you need. And this is the actual rotors. Then, the rotors. I need some brake cleaner. So yeah, that's all. Okay, so you just take the brake calipers, then take the brake pads, disconnect the brake caliper bracket. I disconnected the line from the control arm, upper control arm or knuckle or whatever. So just put it right here for now, just somewhere. Then now to take out the rotor, you just gotta use a screwdriver. Take this screw right here and it should come off. Okay, so this one's easy. And that's it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect the fucking brake fluid lines and then replace them with the new ones and start putting everything back together. So yeah, put this shit on. This one's basically the same shit. And the brakes I got is the same size, like the same rotor size. So I could have used these ones, but I just went for the whole thing. I got everything. So that's pretty much it for this. Then now I'm gonna connect the brake lines on it. I'm gonna connect everything before I put it on. That way it's easier for me to move it around. That way it's not in one place right now. So I'm gonna start by connecting the line to here with the bolt provided by Wilwood, and then I'm gonna disconnect the line on that side and then connect it to this one. I try to do it fast so it's not leaking brake fluid everywhere. So yeah,
they help a lot.
okay, so I installed the new brake lines already. It leaked a little bit. Got everything done in the back. If you buy the kit for this car, you literally don't have to do nothing, just bolt on. And I did the brakes, I installed the brake pads. That shit was easy. Just take this thing off and then pull this shit this way, put the brake pads in there, put this thing back in there, go through little holes on the pads, and then put everything back together. And then later on I'm gonna bleed them through here. Don't use the bottom one because it's not gonna bleed. So just use the top one right here. And that's pretty much it for this one. I'm gonna do the other side, and after that I'm gonna take it for a little test drive after I bleed them. Okay, so I'm gonna do a brake test before the wilwoods. So I'm gonna do one with the stock ones, and then later on I'm gonna do one with the wilwoods. Right now I'm gonna get to 60 and stop on the yellow sign over there, right before the house. And we're gonna see how long it takes for it to break, and then we're gonna compare that to the wilwood. So yeah. So we did the test, and the car stopped right a little bit past the house, so it was about 90 steps. So we're gonna compare that later to the wilwood. Okay, so brakes are on. Now we're going to do the same test on the same road and everything, and we're just gonna see which one actually stops fastest. This one actually feels a lot better than the stock ones. Like, the way to put it is like when I get to my uncle's cars and shit, the newer ones like 2016 and shit. When I step on it, the car stops fast. When I go from this to that one, it feels a lot better to the other cars. So like the way to put it is just like it actually feels like a new car. The brakes feel like brakes from a newer car, pretty much. So yeah, pretty much it just feels better, and it stops faster. You start to feel it faster, pretty much. So now we're gonna see if it actually makes a difference when you're stepping on the brakes. See if it like actually stop faster. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now.
So that's the new point right there to the driveway. This is the old brakes right here. It's a big ass difference now.
Okay, so that's like a 25% improvement from the old brakes to the new brakes. So now we're gonna do my friend's Q50. So we're gonna compare them to a new car. That one has 4 piston brakes too, so we're gonna see how it does. Oh shit, that's way better. That's like a 75% better. So this one has 2 pistons in the back and 4 in the front. And all I did was get the 4 ones in the front, and I still have the stock ones in the back. So this one did a lot better than my wilwoods. This one did 75% better. Wilwoods did 25% better. Also, this one has ABS. Mine doesn't, so anyone has like crash either. So yeah. Okay, guys. So that was it for this video. This is how they look. They fit the stock 15-inch wheels. That's what the website says, and they go for around $490 for just the fronts with the rotors and everything. And I bought the braided lines separately, which was another, I think it was $30. So yeah, that's the video.